Hello, it's Nancy today. Well, we're coming to you today from the Situation Room, which is a screen tent which just goes over our porch from the... Oh, excuse me, I talk to you and you make me very tired. Do you know that? That's right, every time I talk to you I have to yawn. So here's our view. Nice, eh? We're right beside the stream. So we can sit here. A little hole to deal with. But whatever. I can grab them as they come through. Those bugs, you do. If we were really quiet, we might be able to see a mink swim down the river, the stream. There's otter scat on the bridge, on my little every which way bridge. So there are aminuls in this water. It's very pretty, isn't it? I've been sitting here playing my violin, and as you could see, Willem has been very busy putting 1s and 2s and 3s and 4s and 5s and 6s and 7s and 8s and 9s in all those little squares. It makes him into a happy camper. You a happy camper? Makes him into a happy camper who can't speak, because he's very busy, as you can see. So some black flies have come in here to offend us, to harsh our mellow. Harsh not the mellow. Well, I hope you see a good day. That was an interesting talk we heard at church today. There was a talk that was given at a timeout for women. We Mormon women got together, and they came from somewhere, very good speakers, and they spoke. And one of them was talking about good things, the good versus the bad, and both having the same experience and having different experiences while we were having the same experience. And our view. And so to see a good day, it's not like to have a good day, but to see a good day. Be to look for and see the good that is happening. See the beauty and not the climb. Enjoy the climb, enjoy the journey, but not be bothered by the difficulties along the way, but see the greater picture, see the beauty in it all. And thereby see a good day. This screen helps a lot because we have less bugs to deal with. They're not coming at us from all sides. Is that one on me there? Sometimes they get in. But you know, it all depends on whether we've got this tight down to the ground all the way around. Oh, you see here? Look at that. It's up high. They can get in there by that tall grass. Have to be vigilant. Not just diligent, but vigilant. Yeah, I just saw a dragonfly. The dragonflies will come and eat the mosquitoes. Do you know that? Oh, it's true. Well, I can't talk to you any longer or I'll fall asleep. Goodbye. Enjoy your day.